All right, it's time for a quick market update. Last time we talked, we were looking at the triple Qs and SPY, and here in the triple Qs, I was looking for a test of this support right around 563 and then a bounce from there, but don't get too bullish on the bounce was my warning, because it's very likely going to be a lower high rejection as long as the triple Qs can't break back above 575. And while this is a bit against the trend for a prediction, I still think this is the highest probability chance, which again doesn't mean I'm going to be right, but I would take this seriously. If you are very bullish here, I would look for this rejection if we start to come back down with a lower high rejection into a lower low breakdown, which would now be down below 560. Because if that happens, that means we're opening the door for the triple Qs to come all the way back down into the 530s. And I have two price targets at 532 and 534. Now there will be a very critical support on the way into the 530s and the low 550 zone. So that will be a last ditch effort for the bulls to hold support if we cannot hold above 560. So this is still my preferred scenario. I think this is the highest probability chance. It doesn't mean it's going to play out. And you'll know it's not working if the triple Qs start breaking above 575 and holding that breakout. And then if we can continue higher and make a new all-time high, this was obviously incorrect. Now it is low risk if you do want to try being a bear. I taught you about how to set up risk reward trades, and I'll just do a quick reminder. If you are entering short here, if you're going down for the price target in the 530s, you need to make sure you have at least a 1.5 risk reward ratio, and it could take a long time for this trade to play out. Usually if the bears are winning and taking over, you take the elevator down, so in that case it would happen quickly. But again, there's no guarantees of how quickly any of this has to happen or if it even will happen. So this is currently what I'll be watching for in the triple Qs. Watch that critical resistance above at 575. Any further rejection and break of support is likely a bearish indication we're going a lot lower, and that would finish a pullback from the previous all-time high of anywhere between about 8 to 10%. So that's what I'll be looking for in the triple Qs. Now we just need to jump over and look at SPY. And in SPY, we did go a little bit higher than a lower high rejection, but we still do have the possibility of a double top here from the previous all-time high at 645. And I like to think that the NASDAQ 100 leads the way. So if the NASDAQ 100 is not at the previous all-time high and the S&P 500 is, that's a good indication of weakness in the mega cap tech names. And that could also mean we're simply just getting market rotation out of those tech names into other stocks as well. And that's why previously I did talk about watching the healthcare sector, because that is obviously going to help SPY hold up above support here. So in SPY, your critical resistance is the previous all-time high at 645. If we continue down and we get a rejection and break the neckline of that double top, that's a breakdown below 635. Then you're easily going to hit this price target down here right around 619. So 645 is a critical resistance, and then that 635 support will be very important. And if none of that support holds, you have a confirmed double top and we're going lower. Next, we need to take a quick look at Bitcoin. This was one of the indications I was talking about last week of risk on or risk off. And I told you this was clearly looking risk off with a bull trap look to a break to a new all-time high with an instant rejection, a failure to hold the bullish support trend line, which was that support at 117,000. And then once more, we are now losing another support level at 112,000, which opens the door for Bitcoin to come down to 107,000. And there's nothing that says it has to stop there. So if I just clean up this chart a little bit, you could see we had the failed breakout to the previous all-time high. We came down and bounced to a lower high. That lower high rejected to a lower low. And this is really opening up the door for price to move a lot lower. So this is very similar to what I'm expecting in the triple Qs, where you can clearly see we went up to a new all-time high, came down and bounced to a lower high, and then rejected it and broke down to a lower low. If I jump back over to the triple Qs, you could see that's pretty much exactly what I'm expecting to see here, with a lower high rejection and then a breakdown to a lower low to confirm we are indeed starting this pullback. Now keep in mind, this is a bull market and a bull trend. So if you are taking the short trade, just acknowledge you are going against the trend still. That doesn't mean it's not going to work. Just be aware that you are fighting the trend until we get the confirmation from price we are indeed breaking down to a lower low. And then and only then can we say with confidence and objective evidence that the bull trend is rolling over and getting ready to die. So I guess you could say I'm getting ahead of it. If it happens, I'll be prepared because it's already my expectation. And if it doesn't happen, it'll be very easy to manage risk here. You don't need to be taking any high risk trades in this zone. You can simply wait and have price action confirm either the bullish scenario or the preferred scenario that I have drawn here of the bearish scenario. All right, checking in on our performance. We are currently up 23.85% year to date. We are absolutely crushing this market, sitting up here at all-time highs, even though the stock market is not. And again, you could have the same exact performance because this is my trade alert service called TSC Trade Alerts, where you get all of my buy and sell alerts for the exact percent allocations that I am taking for the TQQQ or the SQQQ. If you want to come trade with me, this is the best way to do that. And you can find out how to join this service by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.